All right, we are back with Attorney General Josh Stein answering your questions. Here are the questions that we're getting right there through text. When will student loans actually be forgiven?
Yeah, student loan debt can be crushing for people. In North Carolina, something like 1.2, 1.3 million people have debt, education debt, nearly $50 billion in aggregate. There are a couple of things that we've been doing in this regard. One is public student loan forgiveness. If you're in public service, if you're a teacher, a nurse, a firefighter, and you have student debt, and you make your payments for 10 years as you're supposed to, after that 10 years, that debt is supposed to be forgiven. The program has been a mess since its inception. Only 2% of people who thought they were in the program actually ended up qualifying and getting their loans forgiven. So I want to thank the Biden administration's Department of Education, because we, a group of AGs and I, petitioned the Department of Education, urging them to revamp this program, give people a fresh shot at trying to get their public service loans forgiven. And we're seeing that happening. Folks have to submit their paperwork by October 31st. So by Halloween, if you are in public service, if you work for the state, if you work for the county, make sure you get your application submitted so that you can get reconsidered.
And where are they submitting that, just so that we can be clear?
The Department of Education. Okay. And if you go to our website, there's a link to where they can go. And then the second thing we did is there was a for-profit school called Corinthians that defrauded students and made all kinds of misrepresentations about what kind of money people would earn if they simply enrolled and paid for the programs. And I just want to make sure I have the number right. Something like 140 million we won back for about 14,000 North Carolinians. Their debt has been forgiven and they're liberated from that burden.
All right, really quickly, because we talked about door-to-door scammers. Someone said, how do I know if a tree trimming company does a good job and is insured?
Well, ask for their insurance certificate. So then you can call the insurance company, make sure it's legitimate. But also just ask neighbors, get references, find out what their experience has been with different tree trimming companies. And you can also look at the Better Business Bureau or call my office to see if we've had complaints against the company or whether people have complained to the Better Business Bureau.
All right. We appreciate your time. We so thank you for that. And of course, we're going to have his website linked from our website so that you can either complain about a scam or you're able to find that student loan forgiveness. It'll be in the 2 Wants to Know section.